Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to use this mirror right here. This is actually a SimpleHuman Illuminated mirror. So I'll be showing you and telling you how to use a SimpleHuman Illuminated mirror just like this in this full tutorial. Let's get right into the video. This is my 8-inch SimpleHuman Illuminated mirror that I got for my wife. We absolutely love it. But if you have a different size or a different type of SimpleHuman Illuminated mirror that looks similar to this, it's probably going to be used in a very similar way. So you can probably use these instructions directly or slightly manipulate them to fit your mirror, okay? So let's get right into the video. First and foremost, how to charge it. Well, very simple. Just like you charge your phone, there's actually a charging port right there. It comes with a charging cable and a charging power brick. You want to plug in the charging cable to the charging port of the mirror, plug the power brick into your power supply, your wall outlet, and it'll charge. This will illuminate green, and it means it's charging. Very simple and straightforward. Now, to turn the main power to the mirror on and off, there's a button on the bottom. You can press and hold this down, and it'll turn it on, and it'll turn it green. That will turn green, and it's now on, okay? Just as you can see right here, if I were to turn it on manually, I can do that. I'll go over that in a moment. But to turn it off, you're going to press and hold that again, and it's red. That means it's off. Now, nothing will be able to actually illuminate the mirror. Obviously, you can still use it as a mirror. There I am. Hello, how are you today? Well, you see me. There I am through the, that is absolutely trippy. There I am through the phone screen, okay? The mirror still works, but the illumination is off. So when you want to turn it back on, you press and hold that down. It flashes green. And what happens is a few things. You can turn this on manually by, like I said, covering the sensor, right? Or you can do it automatically. So there's an automatic mode. Look at that. See, it sensed my face and it turns itself on automatically. So it can automatically turn on and off depending on if you're there or not. When you move away, it'll turn off automatically. Or you can turn it to manual mode by covering that for a moment. Okay? Just like that. And then you can do it one more time to turn it off. Turn it back on manually, just like that. Okay? Once again, cover like that. And then do it one more time to turn it off. Try that again. And then push it like that one more time, press and hold it for a second to turn it back on. Now, the coolest thing about this mirror is the touch brightness control. There's a little slider back here, and essentially, oh wow, there's the camera again. I didn't know I'd have so many reflective angles in this video. Essentially, when you turn it and slide it down on the slider bar, it's going to decrease the illumination, as you can see, and it's going to increase it like that, okay? So I'll show you, I'll do it like this. I can actually decrease the illumination like that, or increase it all the way, or I can stop in increments. So I can bring it down a bit, down, 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 right? Or I can go up. And it's like a volume control. You can kind of go to whatever level of illumination you want. Completely up to you, okay? Or all the way at the brightest. So you can go all the way at the dimmest setting, all the way at the brightest setting, or you could stop somewhere in the middle if you want. Really, really cool feature. Completely up to you how you want to use it, but essentially that is how to use it. That's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it, and very simple, very easy to use. I absolutely love it. My wife absolutely loves it, so awesome overall. And that's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.